Hello everyone and welcome to Valiant Tech World. If you are interested in programming, Python is a good way to start, given that it is an easy to learn programming language. In this video I will show you how to download WinPython, which is a portable distribution of Python, and how to create your first program by using Spyder, which is an IDE included within WinPython. Portable means that you do not need to install anything on your computer, and this is especially good for people that just want to give it a try. On Google, just write WinPython, and you should find it at the top of the list. Anyway, I will also add the link in the description below. Click on it and you will find this page. Now, Python continuously evolves, but for beginners, any version between 3.7 and 3.9 is fine and does not make much difference. You should just make sure that the version that you download has a Spyder in it. Spyder is an IDE, which means Integrated Development Environment, and essentially is a place specifically designed for writing and running the Python code. So, let's for example download this version from last year, which is WinPython 64 3.8.6.0. Now click on SourceForge and then click on the selected executable file. The time required for the download depends on your internet connection. After the download is complete, go on the download folder and click on the executable file, and then select the folder where you want to extract the unzipped WinPython and press extract. This will take a few minutes, so wait until the extraction is complete. Now, inside the folder, click on Spyder and the environment will load. Here you have everything you need to start programming in Python. On the right, on the top section, there is a window especially used to see the variables and the plots that you create. On the bottom section, there is the console where you can write some lines of code before including them into your script, and it is also used to see the outputs of your script. And on the left, all the space is dedicated to write your code. For example, let's write Hello World, which is a classic, and then run it. We write print, open and close brackets, and inside write in quotes Hello World. Now we can run it from the menu Run or by pressing F5. And in the console you can see the result. Congratulations! You have a portable version of Python which you can move to other hard drives or USB pen, and now you just wrote your first program. That's all for today. More videos on Python programming will be uploaded soon. If this helped you, press the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.